GK Kids.
Tenali outwits the thieves. It was a dry summer for the people of the Vijayanagar kingdom that year. Not only that, the kingdom was also overrun with thieves. One night, as Tenali Rama was glancing out of his window, he saw that his garden had become very dry, the land had become parched, and his plants were dying in the scorching sun. Suddenly, his eyes caught two men hiding behind a tree. At once, Tenali realized that they were thieves and that they were planning to rob him. "I will not let them escape this time," thought Tenali as he quickly planned to capture them. Pretending as if he had not seen the thieves, Tenali stood by the window and said to his wife, as loudly as he could, "My dear, have you heard about the robberies that are taking place across the kingdom? We must be very careful. Let us put all our precious jewels inside a box and I shall throw it inside the well outside. The thieves will never be able to find it there." He then turned to her and whispered, "There are thieves outside, let us catch them and teach them a lesson." Tenali's wife understood and then hurriedly started to gather all their valuables and pretended to keep it all in a box. Tenali took the box, dashed out of the house and then threw the empty box delicately into the well, as if to protect the jewels from falling. After that, Tenali went back inside the house and shut the door. Not long after Tenali and his wife had gone to sleep, the thieves were outside by the well, excited that Tenali had already shown them exactly where all his valuables were. They waited till everything was quiet and soon started drawing pails and pails of water out of the well. They drew and drew out water all night, while Tenali and his wife slept peacefully. This way, as the thieves were busy drawing out water, they were also watering his garden. Next morning, Tenali Rama awoke to find the thieves still drawing water from the well. He saw that the garden was no longer dry and parched like before and that the water had flowed even to his flower beds. He was very happy to see this. Laughing at the thieves and their foolishness, he yelled, "Do you really think that you can draw all the water out of that well? Or am I foolish enough to throw all my wealth into a well?" Hearing this, the thieves realized that they had been tricked. Falling at Tenali's feet, they begged for forgiveness. Tenali forgave them and told them that he would not report them to the king only on one condition, that they promised never to steal again and that they would leave the Vijayanagar kingdom at once. The thieves, happy that their lives were spared, quickly agreed and ran away as soon as they could. As for Tenali, he was happy to see his garden come back to life.